Good morning, this is Jim with HD Pocket Doors. We are here in the central Phoenix area. We have general contractors coming into neighborhoods. Sometimes they're completely tearing down homes. Sometimes they're taking the footprint and expanding on that. We're very fortunate to be in one here that's almost move-in ready. Still some finishing touches to go. This is a beautiful home. This general contractor has done an exceptional job. Today we want to talk a little bit about the advantages of using a pocket door versus a swinging door. Specifically, we want to show you how much room a swinging door takes up. If you want to follow me, obviously we're not going to put a pocket door on an exterior wall, but just to show you what a swinging door does. This is a 3-foot door, and so the arc that you would come to get this door completely out of your way is really a pretty good arc. It comes out 3 feet this way and it takes up 6 feet this way. That's really 18 square feet that you have to leave open. You could put a carpet on the floor, but that's really about all you could do. There are situations on the interior of a house that you wouldn't want to deal with that swinging door taking up that much room, say in a bedroom or in a bathroom or in an area like that. We can show you an example where there is a pocket door frame and how much room it takes up. So as we come into this bedroom, this is the entrance to a Jack and Jill bathroom, and there's a pocket door. Right here, that closing it and opening it take up absolutely no square footage. If this were a swinging door, say the door was hinged on this side, the door would come out like this, and if you wanted to get it completely out of the way, it would come back and lay against the wall here and be out of your way. But that would eliminate you from having use of this space right here. With the pocket door not taking up any of that room, you could feasibly put a dresser, a nightstand, whatever you wanted to in this corner and have it completely open. This is a good example of where a pocket door has a really good use. There's a water closet right here. So this has a pocket door with a locking mechanism on it. You can have privacy in the bathroom while someone else is out here using the sink. And then you also have another pocket door here. So if there's someone in that bedroom wants some privacy, they can close the door. The bathroom is still functional to that side of the bedroom. Really good examples of space-saving technology on these pocket door frames. If you have any questions, my name's Jim. You can reach us at HD Pocket Doors. We'd love to hear from you, love to help you out, help you make decisions on where you want to use pocket door frames.